I'll just show you how to replace the battery in a VW Golf 2015 remote key. You can either use another key, pound coin. It's pound coin, less dangerous, just flip up. To be fair, some of them you can just flip off with your thumbs, or just use another key and just turn it. Probably your other key, if you use it, that's safest. You'll then need a little screwdriver or something just to flip the battery out, and it does flip out. See there, that's a CR 2025 key, battery, 3 volt. Clip it back in, locate the little tags in there, clip back. That's that done.